This is a critical time for Shiba Inu, which has been booming over the last 48 hours. If you own any Shib tokens or are interested in Shiba Inu, you can't afford to miss this video. What is the most recent information about Shiba Inu coin news, and how will this impact the value of Shiba Inu? In today's video, I'll respond to these queries and share with you all of the recently released price-boosting Shiba Inu facts. I've done a lot of research for this video, so be sure you watch all the way through to the end to learn everything. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. But first, let's check at the chart to see exactly the price of Shiba is doing on September 28 before moving on to our subject. Currently, a Shiba Inu costs around 2,007 units. With $1.2 billion traded in a day, Shib's price has decreased by 6% during the last 24 hours. The token is now the 15th most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market worth of more than $11.7 billion. The prices shown in this video may have changed by the time you see it, so please bear in mind that this is not financial advice. Let's begin today's video now. How come Shiba Inu was up yesterday? Principal causes of the current price increase. Shiba Inu, which is the second biggest meme currency by market capitalization, emerged from the liquidity zone after being stuck in a horizontal consolidation between 1,500 and 1,200 units since the beginning of August. Around 2,007 units of the large-cap meme currency, which has a deep liquidity of over $7 million, were traded on Thursday during the early New York session after a 15% surge over the previous 48 hours. After tumultuous markets lasting 6 months, it is reasonable to say that the Shiba Inu bulls are back in charge with the daily relative strength index over the 70% threshold. Key elements that led to today's surge in Shiba Inu. TVL development of Shibarium. The total value locked of Shibarium, the Shiba Inu's Layer 2 scaling solution built around the Ethereum network, increased to over $3.64 million earlier today, barely 1 week after the Bone Crusher was introduced. This week's performance establishes a solid foundation for future development as Shibarium continues to evolve. As the platform develops in the decentralized financial arena, community engagement will be essential. As observed by lead marketer Lucy for Shiba Inu, WooSwap, MarSwap, and ChewySwap are a few of the top-performing DeFi projects on the Shibarium network. Introduction of Shi stablecoins. Ryoshi and the other main developers of Shiba Inu want to introduce stablecoins shortly in an effort to increase liquidity among other utilities in the ecosystem. The Shiba Inu meme currency will outperform its rivals and gain more investor trust with the introduction of the Shi stablecoins. The team said that as growth moves forward, SHA will strengthen the capabilities of the Shib ecosystem, offering a dependable foundation for decentralized finance and strengthening the financial environment. If you want to see my previous video where I go into more depth, it's posted after this one. Shibdenity's launch in order to improve the widespread use of its DeFi protocols. The creators of Shiba Inu announced the release of Shibdenity in association with D3. Shibdenity is an attempt to empower users by giving them more control over their online identities and assets, which will make it simpler to manage their appearance across decentralized networks, despite the fact that it is not yet integrated. Network expansion and a positive market forecast. Shiba Inu is the most popular meme currency on the Ethereum network, with more than 1.4 million owners. Shiba Inu's deep DeFi liquidity has drawn in more institutional investors looking to diversify their cryptocurrency holdings. Shiba Inu pricing followed its leaders Dogecoin and Bitcoin in a positive breakout amid the escalating heights of the October impact in the cryptocurrency market. With the event that you continue to watch, please consider hitting the like button. It doesn't cost anything and really helps with channel support. However, stay tuned for further information on the most recent Shiba Inu news and potential developments for the Shiba Inu currency. Following a progress report on Shiba Eternity, Shib and Bone emerged. Shiba Inu's leadership team made many statements on Thursday, which caused the two biggest currencies in the Shibarium ecosystem to soar. Advances. The debut of Shiba Eternity's Phase 2 has been postponed, according to Shib marketing head Lucy, because of unforeseen difficulties. Making sure everything is ideal for the community is the team's main concern. The Shiba Inu Games team is still working on problem patches, such as a loading screen issue, while beta testing on Shibarium continues. A detailed walkthrough for playing the P2E version has already been released by Shiba's gaming company. Coming soon, Shiba Eternity Phase 2 on Shibarium. It is anticipated that Shiba Eternity's Phase 2 will launch a Web 3 version of the mobile collectible card game into closed beta testing. Shiboshiz will have access to early access. The virtual cards of Shiba Eternity are converted into marketable on-chain assets by Shiboshiz and Shiba Eternity Mythology NFT owners first. When Shiba Eternity was first launched in October 2022, fans of mobile card games were interested in it, which expanded the franchise's appeal. True ownership of in-game assets and prize competitions are features of the new P2E version available on Shibarium's network. Shiba Inu reached 3-month heights in jumping. The symmetrical triangle has been successfully breached by Shib. Its price surpassed the August 25, 2024 bull run when it rose from a daily low of 1494 to 1729 units. Shiba overcame the 1645 unit confluent resistance level, which had not been seen since late July 2024. A new monthly top of $0.46 was claimed by SHIBASWAP, which also saw advances of 10%. At $0.58, the 3-month high reached on July 16, 2024, Shibarium's official gas tax token is still a long way off. According to Into the Block, if Bong closes over $0.04, the current resistance bubble's lowest point, a continuation of the strong price trend for SHIBASWAP, is still likely despite the little momentary pullback. The average price is $0.55, where traders are probably going to start making money, with 8.83 addresses owning 48.61 Shiba Inu's bones. The Shibarium system's advancements will largely determine the path higher, since just 23% of current boned custodians are profitable at this pricing. A decentralized app for liquid derivative stakes, similar to the Ethereum Lido protocol's usefulness, was recently released by Shibarium L2. Shibarium's total value locked was instantly increased by the action. In contrast, members of the Shib army have petitioned Binance and KuCoin to offer SHIBASWAP, but the exchange has had trouble being listed on big platforms. On the one-day Shiba crypto technical charts, Shiba Inu's stochastic relative strength index indicated 83, indicating a very overbought state. Why is this relevant? With practicality and community support, Shiba Inus have transcended their humorous reputation and are now seen as a viable investment opportunity above and beyond the hype. It's time for the primary narrative of today's video. Shiba Inu on course to reach new all-time highs, a study of trends. Shiba Inu have shown indications of reaching a possible peak. A positive turnaround in price movement has been suggested by a crypto expert who has noted the breakout from a declining trend line. Analysis of price trends. A white descending trend line that represents the price movement of SHIB shows a persistent downward trend with lower highs. Investors are worried that this negative trend would lead to more drops. Still, the recent breakthrough above this trend line suggests that momentum may be shifting, providing room to climb higher. Degrees of resistance and support. To predict future price fluctuations, it is critical to comprehend support and resistance levels. In the event that the price retraces the prior low of 1,000 units is a crucial support level that can provide purchasers a foundation. There are many resistance levels on the upside, with the 2,007 units serving as the immediate barrier as the price is under selling pressure. In the event that the bullish trend persists, traders can target higher resistance levels, with 4,000 units serving as the next significant barrier. There is a notable resistance level at 7,000 units beyond this. SHIB's rising trajectory may be cemented if these levels are broken. Forecasts and indicators for the market to live price of Shiba Inu is now 1998 units, indicating a generally optimistic feeling in the market. Shib has had a noteworthy growth of 12.66% in the last 48 hours, with $1.2 billion in trading activity. A high level of trading activity suggests that investors are really interested. Shib one-day price indicator, the optimistic view is supported by market indications. The one-day relative strength index is 74.28, indicating a possible short-term overbought situation for Shib. A possible correction or retreat in price is indicated by the one-day moving average convergence divergence, which is trading above the signal line. Numerous subscribers expressed their belief in the Shiba Inu creators and the genuine worth of Shib, saying they will not be selling the product for the next 5 years and would instead keep millions of them. How many of them do you guys have? Remember to mention in the comments what stocks you own on Shib. Let's commend the Shib holder for having faith in the system. Please subscribe to the channel, give the video a massive thumbs up, and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu token in the comments section if you're enjoying it. Additionally, be sure to enable post alerts so you may be informed whenever we upload a new video.